Today in this video we will show you how to create Epic Game account. This will be quick and easy process. Firstly open Chrome. Now search Epic Games. Open epicgame.com. Click on sign in. Now go to bottom and click on sign up. You can choose any method to sign up. I am choosing email. Put your date of birth. Click continue. Now fill your first name and last name. Choose display name which are available. Then put your email. Put random strong password. Now tick this box and press continue. A verification code has been sent to your Gmail. Now open your Gmail. Click on Epic Game Mail. And this is a code for verification. Click on verify email. And that's how you can create Epic Game account.